If Yonivia will bear me witness, the Murphy is not part of my program. Efe will bear me witness. Osayene Anita Ijesuro will bear me witness. She's watching me right here. Dr. Lorenta Oboroko Oduware will bear me witness. My mentor. Dr. Mofama will bear me witness. Dr. Loki Mofama. I pause your down when they not let me change down for you. Nobody should call me now. I want to speak. Let me talk first. Let me talk first. Give me a few moments. Let me talk. When the campaign starts, after I go see His Excellency for November last year, 2019, I come back, COVID-19 issue comes serious. I said they busy. Wait my turn. I be not got Facebook platform. Be careful. I'm angry. Don't push me more when I'm angry. Please. So coronavirus can't take over the state. One moment. Let me check at my daughter. Princess. Yeah. What do you want? More. Is that food? Yeah. Yeah. We just discovered something in my state and it's making your mother angry. But I'm fine. It's good. What do you want? Do you need something? I want a laptop. Laptop? Yeah. It's in my room. It's by the side I sleep on the floor. My laptop is there. Okay. You knock the door to see if any is who's sleeping. All right. So when lockdown can't lock everywhere, I can't call about Obaze, the cracking idiot. My brother, I dare you. If you get what you want to do me, can't do me here. Or wait, if I can't have do one. When we are there, no cross band. No, no cross band. No, no try. I can't call Abat. I can't say Abat. You get cracking, and your cracking is full of most of the people where you get. Like men did that. It also good make I support you small. Make I forge group, a team where be say they'll see the support women. They'll see the support. They go out. Make they see go they support this campaign. Abat can say that is a good idea. I come forge group. I come they call my group Vibrant Niger. I see they say na crafty. Me come put Vibrant for my home. Inside this group, I was having nothing less than 75 members. Campaign on the streets. My team, they need to wear t-shirt, they need to get face cap, they need to go out there to join people where they feed. I can't begin to call Abat. He goes, Abat can never bring money come out. He goes, say money not there. I have this money where they use and I brought that for America. You that brother of his where they support evil, our market. Now, a brother for America, and they bring money come for away they spend them. Make I all wait everywhere they come, everywhere go can go say okay. I'll still come and don't mama Dr. Loretta I'll say mama the vessel. Even this matter, I reported it to Obaseki. Even Obaseki said told me to be patient. I go bring all the WhatsApp conversation come out. You see this matter when I buy so. You see this thing when I use me to do so. Who make you talk about what you fair? Who make you talk about what you fair? No, come and stay less, never stay less. Don't worry, continue. Because so boy and now we campaign. I wanted to expose this. I wanted to be exposed to explode. I be one explode. Make a boss during the campaign. But may not come be like say, I calm down. I take my time. I relax. I can't bear them. I can't bear them. I can't bear them. I can't bear them. Because okay. No wahala. Campaign goes to finish. I can't even write Abba, tell Abba, say, a day will come where we say you go need me again. You don't do campaign, I don't finish. I spend nothing in my team. We donated money, we put money together, we do t-shirt, we do cap, we do banner, we do umbrella. What thing we not do? We do flyers. In my team, if I did spend money in my team, I spend nothing less than 450,000 naira. Me will see that yes. If I not spend money for my team, for Vibrant Naija, during Obaseki election, I spent nothing less than 450,000 naira. That's why they so my youth where that the youth where that my team go they vibrate. They won't go out. I'll see because I know one said they go out there without nobody not know me. What is something can happen to them? Who I go send I they fight for? I was unable to send my team out there for campaign. Or even somebody say more than we many way there our team. All of them come they tell me say make I relax. I can't relax. I can't relax. I can't bear am. I am not confessing. I am disappointed. And if you call it a confession, I like to confess my evil before it caught up with me. Now me be stainless. If you call it confession, I like to confess now before it caught up with me. If not confession, you call her. But I don't feel bear am again. Abba go say no tomorrow. Abba told me, he says stainless. He don't write the name of Masha. Eddie Murphy, come here. Maybe you don't know. Because if I talk to Eddie Murphy will call her back. On our way, Eddie Murphy now will be good pass. Who way? The only few people that were with me, that were even listening to me small, was a Faye and Ivie. If the Murphy come, the Murphy discuss, the Murphy see what Abbas the Jews they do. The Murphy go come and go tell Abbas, because they do say na good pass. They come, they like to try me to make me bad person. All my mentors, my more lovers, my mommy Jobo say go down, my sister Osayeme Anita just Robo, my mother Dr. Loretta Ogboroko, Comprenuity, Igbini Good, the Archbishop of Activism. Those are the people that were pressing me down. That they press me. So still less. Not cast this matter. Still let's not cast this matter. Still let's not now. We don't fight reach the top. Still let's not now. Still let's not now. Still let's not now. That is why there was a period I stopped to the carry about video. If any of you put eye down for my platform. I start to the carry any video where about do. If any other person do video, I will carry about except about. I hate greedy people. Umaneve ariye buy. Umaneve ariye buy because when wa be umaneve we ya ume. E never no wrong. You don't involve me. Ina azegbe. Abati kama me gwa di Murphy ida osa. Social media president. Awe uru so mani egbe ni ye feed masha. Ikiye me feed masha ni. Ina we mere bonade. I call my person where they support the supervise my supervisor for Nigeria where they supervise my team. Progress comment is on Facebook. Maybe she will be watching me right here. I call Progress comment. I can't say Progress comment. Wait till be feed Masha. Now Progress comment. I can't tell me say feed Masha. Now be people where they recognize who the shoes personally shoes say now this one now they can pay for them. There is recognized when they recognize they still get money when they see they give all these feed Masha people if you don't do material, if you don't do t-shirt, if you get what you spend your money for, they'll pay you your money where you don't spend, give you money, may you take mobilize your people where you carry waka. I can't say, you say someone that they give them 2 million self, 1 million plus, make they take mobilize thing. That's how bad say my name day. And more people where you want some give them. Say me, I not worry. I can't say okay. You say me, Eddie Murphy, I not know other person where you put in name. Now you carry go. People where they gave you as pass. People where they gave you as pass for this talk back movement. Now bad carry go for feed Masha. He carry and go whether they grant him. They grant Abbott as me as a feed Masha. They can't share tickets. After they don't grant your feed Masha, they can't give you ticket. That ticket, now they'll tell no, say yes, you are part of the campaign people where they can pay for them. Imagine ticket in Abbott. My team waited and waited and waited and waited and waited and waited and waited. Nothing happened. You go say in the busy now. You go say, yeah, don't fool, yeah, one boss. You go say, yeah, one scatter, yeah, one explode. Everybody go say, still let's calm down. You can pay her for buying away. When they don't vote, I can't vote. I can't wait in the day of vote. Vote can't finish. You gotta do the election, do everything to make everything go well. I can't write Abbas. Say, Abbas, you have disappointed me. You have disappointed me. And I tell Abbas, said, one day there will be something again where be say you go need me. I reserve my comment till then. When the brother fuck up, I write Abbas, tell him, say, this your brother. Tell him, say, may take time. This thing where they brag. Men don't they do am before you join. Or we go treat am some manner. Just the way me and you take they treat other people some manner for this because of Obaseki. You can't tell me say brother no well, say brother they mad. Now I say no wahala. Since your brother they mad, tell him say me relax. Medicine where I chop remain when they take care of me for Netherlands, I go share with them. May take care of yourself. After the matter will come start 2 weeks ago, yeah, I wrote to Abbas. I was like, Abbas, on your free time, I would like to talk to you. Do you know what he did? He blocked me. Abbas blocked me for WhatsApp. But I'm not hearing that since then. I can't. Every second, he blocked me for WhatsApp. Abbas carry hand, block me for WhatsApp. I can't say maybe na joke day. I can't carry this phone because this phone where I take the talk, so now it WhatsApp day. I can't carry the other say me I look and say Abbas Obaze. I can't write her. I say he show your wife where did there the way you put for profile. He did there. I say so this boy just blocked me. Campaign don't finish. My beautiful sister still there. My beautiful sister still there. Don't talk to ugly sister and I don't block me. And you can't see get mind. Get mind tell the lie for what I go see. Abbas, I will rather give your body care. Abbas in all your person. Have you seen anyone that's still in the market and carry the and say, I didn't steal anything? Front and back, people are watching you, Abbas. The fourth you fought for governor, the pretending governor. Mr. Obaseki, you disappointed me. You disappointed me big time. I have, although say I don't first support any, I said that one, I quit stuff for that one, but your own, it not let me take stuff because of the mask you wear. Even today, they said they want to do prayer for you. Mommy Loretta Ogboroka, are you still going to hold that prayer session? Mama Gladys Ogbede, are you still going to pray for Obaseki like this? Where the people want to pray, may God, they die of hunger, they love food for his house. Where politicians, and those the politicians go for doing shopping every month for their family and their dirty wives. Then went there every day to do shopping for their wives and their family. Can you imagine this? Can you imagine this? Abbas put her for phone block me. I screenshot and said and give everybody. Wait, see, they tell me, say, calm down, calm down. Even Dr. Loretta was like, what? What's it not Jojo? She was like, what? It's not like a dream. It's a reality. It's a movie that is playing and playing very clear. Your Excellency, maybe you can also testify to the world. All the message I write you for WhatsApp, I go to pray for you. I go to pray for you. I go to pray. Prayer with the one who I never pray for myself. I go to pray for you. Pray for you. Pray for you. Pray for you.